Hello students, question is from data structure and algorithm. The question asked is the number of interchanges required to sort 51624 in ascending order using bubble sort. Okay, so bubble sort is used to sort these values 51624. Okay, using bubble sort we have to do, and the thing is we have to do in the ascending order. Okay, so in bubble sort what we will do, we will compare the adjacent elements. If it is like the say for example this is I and this is j. Okay, so we will compare this I and j. Okay, and if I is less than j, okay, we won't make an interchange, but if I is greater than j, then j will be I. Okay, means the value which is in j will be the I value. Okay, so that will be making an interchanges. Okay, similarly, so write down the values 51624. Okay, so compare these two values. What is smaller than 5? Okay, means I is greater than, means a of I is greater than a of j. So this is the condition, so we have to make an interchange. So this will come like this. And in the bubble sort, so similarly for one pass we will do the thing like this. The pass will be according, once the largest element will be at the end, that will be bubbled. Okay, so now compare these two values. So there no interchange is done. Here one interchange has happened, right? One interchange. Now again no interchange is done, so it will remain as it is. Now this will be compared, so this will get exchanged, right? So here one interchange happened, then again compare these two values, so again interchange will happen. Okay, so now the final element we got, and this is bubbled. Okay, so this was the first pass. Now in the second pass what we will do, again it is like this 1524, and this is already bubbled. Okay, so now again we will compare, no need to change, so this will remain as it is. Now compare these two values. So here one more interchange happened, right? 1 2 3, yeah. So this will be 2 5 1 4 6. Okay, so now here one interchange happened. Now again compare these. Again this is smaller than this value, so this will again make an interchange. Okay, so now here, so total how much? 1 2 3 4 and 5 interchanges happened. Okay, so now it is already sorted, so 1 2 4 5 6. Now it is sorted in ascending order, right? It is sorted. This array is sorted in ascending order using bubble sort. Okay, and we required 5 interchanges, so the answer is B, just 5 interchanges. Okay, thank you.